recently redid our studio, but this is also our workshop. And throughout that, as well as stocking so many different tool storage options for years, we've actually put together 5 easy ways to organise your workshop. Now, we've tried to think a little bit outside of the box with this. So your standard, wheeled tool cabinets and shelves, we're not including any of that, but we've got 5 interesting products that you might want to get your hands on if you're looking to organise your workshop. Firstly, have you heard of Trade Tidy? Now, they have skyrocketed in popularity over the last year or so, and that is because these are just so convenient. I mean, it's in the name, Trade Tidy. You've got a variety of different holders that you can mount into the wall. In fact, we've actually got a couple in the background of our set here. But what you can do is you can mount these onto the wall, and then these are going to be great. You've got a variety of different Trade Tidy products. They can hold things like cork, you've got standard trays and document holders, and then you've also got holders for the likes of your wipes and things along those lines. These are also great as well because you can mount them into the back of your van and stuff as well if you're looking to keep things tidy there. Another thing with Trade Tidy that you don't necessarily get with the other products we're going to be mentioning is the fact that you've got a variety of colour options. We've just got a couple in front of us here. I believe there's a great option for many of these products as well. Hopefully there'll be more colours coming in the future. I mean, I'm crossing my fingers for maybe an ITS yellow kind of thing coming up in the future as well. But yeah, some really, really impressive ways to store your kit. Unless you've been living under a rock, you've at least heard of Milwaukee Packout. Milwaukee have upgraded though, just from storage system for the worksite. They've even expanded through to Packout Workshop. These are products that you mount onto the wall to keep your workshop nice and organized, which, as you know, is the point of this video. So you know that we're going to be big fans of this. The beauty of Milwaukee's Packout Workshop range is that they have systems and dividers for just about everything. We've got drills and battery holders. We've got hooks for stuff with your, more of your bigger handles. We've even got holders for hand tools and garden tools, and there's nice little storage pots as well. But alongside from that, if you have a standard Milwaukee Packout case or any Milwaukee Packout compatible cases, you can take them off of your storage system and actually place them on the wall when you aren't using them. So there is a lot of flexibility that you can get out of Milwaukee Packout and Packout Workshop. Let's have a little look at StealthMounts. Now, we've actually covered them a couple of times on our YouTube channel before. When we first talked about them, they only produced battery mounts that you would install on the wall, and then you'd be able to display and keep your batteries looking nice and neat. However, since then, StealthMounts have expanded with a massive range of new products, because now you can get mounts for your power tools, and they have different mounts for different types of brands. You then have things like your hand tool mounts, you've got level mounts, you've even got Milwaukee Packout exclusive mounts. You can essentially put anything on top of a Milwaukee Packout case, or, mentioned earlier, the Packout Workshop wall holder as well. So StealthMounts have really expanded their range. There are so many different options that you can get your hands on if you were looking to get your workshop or the back of your van looking nice and organized. Alongside from that, these are also going to be quite useful if you've got your larger tool cases as well. You can actually install these on the inside of your tool cases to get things looking nice and neat and easy to access in there too. This Vaunt Carabiner set may not be the first thing that comes into mind when you're thinking about workshop organization, but let me tell you that this can come in really, really handy, because what you can do is you can set this pot magnet up against anything metal, and then you can hang the likes of your tool bags, your totes, and things like that. And this is strong as well. This Vaunt Carabiner pot magnet set can hold up to 22 kilograms of weight. So this is going to be perfect if there is anything that you need to grab at a moment's notice, but also you want it looking nice on display in your workshop. This is also nickel plated as well to prevent any sort of rust. So not only is it strong, it is also durable. Last and certainly not least, we have these impressive Makita MAKPAC drawers. Now, a lot of people, when they see or hear Makita MAKPAC, they're just thinking of your standard plastic toolboxes. Now, those are a nice, convenient and value for money way to store your tools, but these Makita MAKPAC drawers are no joke. And the reason for that is because of the amount of personalization that you get with these. All of these drawers can be taken out and rearranged so you can get things exactly how you'd like to. And these drawers are going to be great for storing your smaller fixings, accessories, you know, the likes of your screwdriver bits and things like that. That extra level of personalization is going to come in key, especially because you can also label the drawers as well so you know exactly what you are getting inside. But don't forget, these are still MAKPAC compatible, so if you have MAKPAC cases, you'll be able to slot these right on top of your cases as well. There we have it, some interesting ways if you are looking to organize your workshop. A lot of these also going to be perfect if you are looking to organize the back of your van and keep all of your tools nice and secure. You can find all of this available now at its.co.uk.